Today, we're going to read about baby rabbits. Rabbit starts with the letter R. The letter R makes the R sound. R. Rabbit. Can you say Woohoo! I can't wait to learn about baby rabbits. Let's start reading.
Kits. Baby rabbits are called kits. Some live in the wild. Others are pets. Life in the litter. Kits are born in litters. One litter can have more than 10 kits.
What sound do you think the kits make? Wow, so squeaky!
Mom comes to the nest to nurse her kits. Kits shed a lot of hair. They take time to fluff their fur.
Where are the kits' ears? Way to go! You tapped the kits' ears.
Sometimes they leap into the air. This joyful jump is called a binky.
Rabbits are great jumpers. We learned so much together. Thanks for reading with me.